nagbibigay buhay sa mga karakter ng isang kwento. Sa kanilang husay sa pagganap, nabubuhay ang iba't ibang emosyon. Kanila tayong napapatawa, napapangiti, napapaigtad sa gulat, napapaluhat, napapaiyak, at iba pa. They take us into their world and make us feel the humanity of the characters they play. They make us feel something, and as we enter their fantasy, they enable us to see our own reality and enter into our own truths. That's how good they are. This year, we shall recognize the 11 actors who stood out globally and show the world how fantastic Filipino actors are. Starting with Ding Dong Dantes, Descendants of the Sun, Asian Star Prize, Seoul International Drama Awards, South Korea.
Magandang gabi po. I am truly grateful to the FDCP for the achievement in World Cinema Award for the recognition of Descendants of the Sun in the Seoul International Drama Awards. Para sa akin po, this symbolizes the government and the country's support and acknowledgement of our craft and the hard work of all the people and the network behind Descendants of the Sun, the Philippine adaptation. But more importantly, this award is a tribute to our modern-day Filipino heroes, our soldiers, healthcare workers, and volunteers. Ako po ay deeply honored together with the whole DOTS team to be sharing your inspiring stories to the whole world. Muli, maraming salamat.
Arjo Atayde, Batman, ABS-CBN I-1 Series. Best Actor, 3rd Asian Academy Creative Awards, Singapore.
Hello po. First of all, good evening, and I just want to say thank you so much to FDCP for the love, for the trust, and for this recognition. It's truly such an honor to be recognized by each and every one of you. May you continue to inspire a lot of people, a lot of more actors for the better of this industry. And thank you so much. More power to FDCP. I really appreciate this. I really didn't expect this. I thought it was done, and this is another thing. This is another blessing from you guys. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you, FDCP. More power, and again, have a good evening, everyone.
Sherry Hill, Alfred Vargas, Angel Aquino, Ronaldo Martin. Best Performance Award, Kaputol, directed by Mac Alejandre. 4th Innuendo International Film Festival in Milan, Italy.
Hi, thank you FDCP for this recognition. I am always very proud to represent our country in films internationally. And being at my very first Ricky Lee endeavor, oh my goodness, after 48 years in the business, I have finally done a Ricky Lee script. Thank you, Ricky, for this amazing material of two drastically different characters for me to portray. Mac, thank you for making me a part of your comeback. And of course, to our producer, Alfred, thank you so much. To the entire team, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa FDCP sa karangalan pong ito. Marami din pong salamat sa aming direktor na si Direk Mac Alejandre, sa aking co-actor na si Congressman Alfred Vargas, Miss Cherry Hill, Miss Angel Aquino, at sa iba pa pong kasamang mga artista sa Kaputol. Marami pong salamat sa pagkilala po sa aming pagganap.
Lovie Poe, Latay, Battered Husband. Best Actress Feature Film, International Film Festival, Manhattan.
I have never portrayed the role of a violent wife to a battered husband. To say it was challenging is an understatement, and I am fond of taking on offbeat roles. And another reason why I love making films is that we're given a platform to share something that's hard to talk about, with characters that are rarely seen on screen. We did Latay with the hopes of raising awareness about domestic violence, particularly towards men, which isn't documented as much. Thank you so much to our director, Ralston Rivera, for giving me his full trust in playing a very unconventional character opposite Alan Deason. Alan is a very talented actor, and it is truly an honor to have shared the screen with you. Thank you, Miss Baby Go, FDCP, Miss Liza Dino Segura, and to everyone part of Latay. Thank you, Cinema Bravo and the International Film Festival. I am very proud of making Filipino films. Thank you to everyone who supports my dream. Thank you for this recognition.
Alan Dizon, Latay, Battered Husband. Best Actor, Feature Film, International Film Festival, Manhattan, USA.
Taus-pusong pasasalamat FDCP sa pagbigay niyong parangal sa akin bilang film ambassador para sa pelikulang Latay o Battered Husband. Inaali ko po ang award na to sa aking producer, Madam Babygo, sa aking director, Direk Ralston Hover, Lovie po, staff and crew ng Latay. Ang award po ito ay inaali ko sa aking pamilya, sa aking asawa, at sa mga chair, Miss Liza Dino Segura. Maraming salamat sa paggabay at pagpapahalaga ng pelikulang Pilipino. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Elijah Canlas, Kaleo 15. Best Actor, 17th Asian Film Festival, Rome, Italy.
Unang-una, gusto ko pong magpasalamat kay Ms. Liza Dino and everybody over at FDCP for this amazing honor for naming me one of the film ambassadors for this year. Thank you, Sinisandaan and FDCP. Pangalawa, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang Idea First Company, Signal Entertainment, si Direk Carlo Canlas Mendoza, si Direk Percy Intalan, the entire Kalel 15 team, and especially Direk Jun Robles Lana for believing in me, for squeezing the best out of me, and for trusting me with Kalel's story for this amazing and important film. I'm so proud to be a part of this film. I'm so proud to be a part of Philippine cinema. And lastly, this won't be possible if it wasn't for God and my family, so I want to thank them. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you, FDCP.
Luis Abuel, Best Actor, Edward. 18th Dhaka International Film Festival, Bangladesh.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa FDCP Film Ambassadors Night sa pagkilala sa pelikula naming Edward. Sobrang saya ko po na naipapakita natin sa ibang bansa kung gaano po tayo kapassionate sa paggawa ng pelikula. At maraming salamat po kay Direk Top Nazareno sa pag-guide sa akin at sa lahat na bumubuo ng Team Edward para sa ating lahat po ito.
Isabel Sandoval, Lingua Franca, Best Actress, 18th Pacific Meridian International Film Festival, Russia.
Hi, this is Isabel Sandoval, and I would like to express my gratitude to FDCP for recognizing my performance as Olivia in Lingua Franca. And after having been awarded the Best Actress prize at last year's Pacific Meridian International Film Festival in Russia, it's truly a thrill and an honor to be sharing the virtual stage with other extraordinarily talented Filipino thespians and performers, and I'm excited to see what we accomplish and achieve again internationally this year. Congratulations, everyone.
Ruby Ruiz, Iska, Best Actress, Harlem International Film Festival 2020, Harlem, New York, USA. Best Actress, 6th Herat International Women's Film Festival, Afghanistan.
Gusto ko pong pasalamatan una sa lahat si Direk Ted Boborol para sa pelikulang Iska ng Sinimalaya, ang jury ng Sinimalaya, at lahat ng jury sa pagganap ko sa Iska. Heartfelt gratitude to my co-actors, producers ko po, the Firestarters, at sa lahat po ng co-actors ko. Hindi po magiging ganon ang performance ko kung hindi po dahil sa suporta nila. Chairperson Lisa and all the rest of FDCP, thank you for this recognition.
Christine Reyes, Untrue. Best Actress, 40th Fantasporto o Porto International Film Festival, Porto, Portugal.
Hi FDCP, maraming salamat po sa parangal.
Siyempre, maraming salamat din sa director namin, si Sigrid Bernardo and Sian Lim, of course. Viva Films, Viva Management, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Alden Richards, Asian Star Prize, Seoul International Drama Awards, Seoul, Korea.
It's with deepest gratitude that I received this recognition from the Film Development Council of the Philippines. It is always an honor to do my part in representing our country in the field of world cinema. I am grateful that I'm able to do this while living out my dreams and passions as an actor. It is my ardent hope that each one of us continue to do our country proud. To everyone at FDCP, our Hello Love Goodbye team, and to everyone who supported our film, maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to our 11 new film ambassadors for acting performance. And back at the Cyber Lounge, we have Isa with our honorees. Isa?
Thank you very much, Kaki. I got 5 out of the 11 with me. Congratulations to this year's honorees for the acting performance category. We're back here at the Fan Cyber Lounge. Let's have a chat. Hi, congratulations. I want to begin with Congressman Alfred. Of course, first, hindi ka naka-thank you. Anyone you want to thank in your acceptance speech?
Yeah, actually I submitted my video, but anyway, I would just like to thank FDCP for this recognition. Kaputol is a passion project, an expression of our love for cinema and our motherland. This recognition is a validation of our work and the creative path we are taking. It feels good to be recognized in an international film festival. It feels even better to be honored in one's native land. Film is collaborative. As this belongs to our film's acting ensemble, this also belongs to everyone involved in the making of Kaputol. And this honor is shared with all the men and women who continue to the fight in keeping our industry alive and flourishing in spite of all the odds. Thank you, my co-actors, Sherry Hill, Angel Aquino, Ronaldo Martin, and the entire cast of Kaputol. And thank you to our brilliant writer, Ricky Lee, and our best director, Mac Alejandre. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you very much, FDCP, Chair Liza, and CCP. Thank you very much. It's a great honor to accept this award.
Nice message for that, and congratulations. But wait, that was your message. That's not yet my kwento. Kwento din tayo. That's why we're hanging out here at the Cyber Lounge. How are you able to juggle your work both as a congressman and as an actor and producer for this one? Yes? No?
Well, like I said, film is my passion, really, and public service is my calling. So it's just a matter of time management and setting your priorities, and of course sacrificing your personal life. Wala na munang gimmicks, wala na rin, di ba? I had to make do with many other stuff to be able to do what I really want, because at the end of the day, we just want to do what we love and effect positive change and try to inspire others and especially help our industry.
Nicely done. Keep going then, Congressman Alfred. I want to talk to the young ones before the ladies. So Elijah and of course Luis. Elijah first. You've been winning acting awards left and right. Congratulations, Elijah. How do you choose your roles?
Thank you, first of all. I don't really get to choose a lot, as much as possible. I've been blessed enough to be given projects that are really good and that are really, challenging for me as an actor, for me to portray. And I've just been blessed to be part of these stories, to tell these stories. That's why I just try my best to portray them the best way I can.
Wow, so you've never said no to a role?
Well, I didn't say that, but so far, especially recently, I've been blessed enough to be given really good roles and to be a part of really amazing stories and important ones as well. And I'm just grateful for that.
Cheers. What about Luis? How about you? How do you choose? I mean, for young actors, it's so exciting. So how do you filter what you want and, what to portray?
Yes po, parang never naman po ako nagkaroon ng chance na mamili ng certain project, and kung ano yung dumating, and ako po siya. So, much as possible po, sandbox or yung mga project na or role na hindi ko pa nagaganapan, and as much as possible, ibang-iba yung character ng previous na movie ko or previous na acting piece sa darating para makita po yung difference kung ano yung pinagkaiba nila.
Nice. You got your whole career ahead of you, so have fun. Now let's get to the ladies. Ruby, direct ate. You know I love you. I personally have worked with you, so congratulations. Here's my question for you, Ate Ruby. Always playing the support role, right? How did you change? Did it shift when you finally took on the main role? Attack-wise.
Una, nakakanibago kasi hindi ako sanay na gano'n na halos sa lahat ng eksena kasali ka. Oo, dahil yon, so halos walang pahinga, gano'n. So talagang malaking pasasalamat ko talaga kay Direk Ted for trusting me with that featural role. Hindi ko I never dreamt that I would play a lead in any film or any project.
So,
kaya sobrang malaking blessing.
Tulog.
Malaking blessing yung iska para sa akin, para sa career ko.
And congratulations, multiple awards at that. And finally for Isabel winning this award as a member of the LGBT. What does this mean for you? You know, how does this open doors and further the cause for the fight for equality, for opportunity? Isabel?
Yeah, hi. It's not, I don't see this as an overtly or explicitly political statement. I think what I was trying to do with Lingua Franca was have it come from a place of authenticity and honesty as well. I'm just incredibly honored that this film, Lingua Franca, really showcases a unique subjectivity and perspective that we haven't seen a lot before, not just in terms of the trans experience, but also the diasporic Filipino experience. And I think diasporic Philippine cinema is quite emergent and nascent, and we should be paying a lot more attention to it. There are a lot of Filipino filmmakers, Filipino-American filmmakers working in the US and also internationally. And I feel like we are really introducing a different kind of aesthetic and political sensibility to what's going on in Philippine cinema, which I think is exciting.
That what makes very, very exciting. That is definitely what makes your role as actors exciting. So congratulations to all of you, our honorees for the acting performance category. Cheers!